let's look at this inverting voltage amplifier. And let's go back to the situation that basically I have two controllers. So I could replace them with nullers to have the conceptual design of this one. And that's where it started, of course. So with nullers, it would look like this. The upper operational amplifier is modeled with the red nuller, and the lower one is modeled with the blue one. But I told you last time that there is no relation between the nullator and the narrator. The only thing that is done is that the nullator sets a condition in your network, and by setting it a condition, I need another degree of freedom to solve it. And that is done with introducing also a narrator. And there must be, of course, a feedback path from the narrator to the nullator. Otherwise, the condition can never be achieved through having the correct value of the narrator. So here we have two nullers, two narrators and two nullators. So why don't I combine them differently? So I'm now going to pair them in another way. I'm going to pair the upper nullator with a lower narrator, and I'm going to pair the upper narrator with a lower nullator and redraw the circuit in a little bit of comprehensible way. And here you then see, if I go back to operational amplifiers, it looks like this. So instead of making an inverting voltage amplifier as shown in the first picture, I can also make an inverting voltage amplifier as shown in the last picture. They're equal on concept level, because on concept level with nullers, there's no difference. But of course, in practice, parasitics and transfer function to zeros can be different, so that there can be differences in the transfer. But basically, this is a technique. So if you have multiple nullers in a circuit, multiple controllers, to find an alternative structure that maybe is easier to implement. But the network solution of both things is equal. It's just a technique of deriving another configuration from another one, not by using techniques from parallel sensing and series comparison and series sensing, etc. Those things, no, but just saying, okay, I'm going to pair the nullators and narrators differently. That is the technique.